Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beetroot icing sugar scrub with extra love and care. So these are the products that we're going to use. We're going to use icing sugar, we are going to use aloe, honey, raw honey, and some beetroot juice for colorant. So we are getting our bowl and we are pouring in icing sugar. So sugar can be used daily to review your best lips. So don't forget to use a great scrub to take care of your lips, because we always take care of, much emphasis is put on taking care of our natural hair and our body, but we forget about our lips. So our lips are very important, and if you think winter is the only time when your lips are dry, then you are mistaken. So lips can get dry in every season. So we are adding our aloe. Aloe vera is safe to use on sensitive areas where other products shouldn't go. So the idea behind using aloe for chapped lips is mostly based on aloe's healing properties. It may help several skin issues, including wounds, burns, skin dryness, irritation. So the key is the chemical composition of aloe. According to a research, polysaccharides and growth hormones in aloe stimulates the skin to produce new cells. So this helps to heal more quickly. So this polysaccharide also bind moisture to your skin, which is helpful when you apply it. And then beetroot colorant is good, it's a natural colorant, yes, and our honey is so moisturizing. So honey is so safe to use, yes, so it helps to moisture the skin. So you have to make sure that you clean your lips before applying your beetroot scrub, yes. It's also a mild exfoliate and can help remove dry, dead skin from lips. So you have to you choose organic honey. So now at this point, now we are going to use it for our lips. It looks so beautiful. I'm super excited. So you just need to get a little on your fingertips and scrub. Yes. So the other tip, to prevent dry lips, cracked lips, is you have to drink drink enough water. Yes, make sure that you drink. Yes, and avoid irritating ingredients like in scrubs. So now at this point, we are just cleaning our lips, and we need to leave it on for at least a few minutes before we rinse. So don't forget to use your cotton pads to clean your lips. This is very important, to remove your beetroot, lip scrub. Remove gently, don't be abrasive, do it with love and care. Yes, so we are going in with another cotton pad. We just want to make sure that our lips are so clean. So as you can see, our cotton pad is clean, meaning that our lips are clean. Once you are done, don't forget to moisturize your lips. So we are going in with our Vaseline. So Vaseline, it's an occlusive, which means it can hold in moisture. Yes. So it's very good for dry, chapped skin or lips. Yes, so it saves you off from dryness. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video. Yes, make sure that you take care.